RxOne has integrated with SafeScript, a real-time prescription monitoring system which allows for prescription records of certain medicines, such as ESAID medicines, to be transmitted in real time to a centralised database that can be accessed by doctors, nurses and pharmacists. This means that when you are processing ESAID medications and the like, you will receive traffic light level notifications within RxOne, allowing you to check records within SafeScript while you are dispensing. If SafeScript is mandatory in your state, you will need to register with them first. Once you are registered, ensure that SafeScript is enabled in RxOne. From the RxOne home screen, search options like so. Then go to the tab User Details and make sure your state is selected from the drop-down menu. Next, click the tab Switchboard and tick Enable NDE Integration. Click OK to save your changes and exit. The RxOne Master Drug Cards are already flagged as SafeScript drugs on the Stock Cards Companion Sales tab. However, if you have created your own stock card and it is a SafeScript applicable drug, you will need to manually add the SafeScript flag using the button Add Classification under Stock Classification. Once the classification line has been added, click under the State heading and select your state from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Stock Classification box and select SafeScript from the drop-down menu. Then save your changes. A good example of this is an ESAID formulation stock card for compounding pharmacies, where you will need to make sure that both the ESAID ingredient and the formulation stock card are marked as SafeScript appropriately. The Bulk Stock Edit utility allows you to bulk set SafeScript for multiple stock cards. Once you've opened the Bulk Edit utility and selected the stock that you would like to bulk add the SafeScript flag to, under the Select Options tab, tick the box under Set Classification Type, then select SRX and your state from the respective drop-down menus. When you are dispensing a SafeScript drug, SRX will display to the left of the patient name to indicate that this is a SafeScript drug. RxOne will prompt you to enter the patient's date of birth if it is missing from the patient profile in RxOne. Entering the date of birth here will automatically add it to the patient's details. There are 3 different types of notifications that you will see during dispensing. The first is a green notification, which indicates that there's nothing to check and will only appear on your screen for 3 seconds before disappearing. No action is required for a green notification. You can check the status of the green SafeScript notification by going back into the prescription, going up to Claim, then selecting Show Additional Script Details. Under the script communication box, you will see that the status for this prescription is Sent. Because the alert was green, no further action is required, and the prescription can be sold as per your normal sales procedure. The amber notification indicates that there is an alert to check and will stay on your screen until you click on it. It will not disappear. In this example, we have not clicked on the notification, so it remains on our screen, and you can see a small V next to the patient name in the main dispensary screen, which stands for validation needed. When we go back into the prescription to check the status of the SafeScript notification, you can see that its status says to be actioned. If you go to sell this prescription, an alert will come up prompting the staff member who is selling it to get a pharmacist to enter their ID and informing them that the prescription needs to be sent to SafeScript. It is best practice to click on the notification whilst you are processing the prescription, like so. Once the notification is clicked on, your default browser will open for you to log into SafeScript and check the patient's SafeScript history before you continue processing the prescription. You can see that the status for this notification is now sent. The red notification procedure is very similar to the amber notification procedure. The alert will not disappear from your screen until you click on it and log on to the SafeScript website to check the patient's SafeScript history before you continue to process the prescription. A few points to note. You do need to be connected to the internet to receive SafeScript notifications. If you process a SafeScript recordable drug and no notification appears, please check your internet connection. It is important that you click on each link that comes up, as this governs the reporting to SafeScript. You need to click on each notification link rather than using a previously or already opened browser, as clicking on the link governs the SafeScript transmission. You may need to click on multiple links when processing a prescription with multiple SafeScript drugs.